Good morning everyone and a very warm welcome to this special celebration of our 79th Independence Day. As a mathematics faculty, I often work with numbers, but today's number is truly special. 15 August 1947, the day when India became free. If we calculate, it's been 79 years since the historic morning when our nation finally broke free from almost 200 years of British rule. This freedom was not the result of a single day's effort. It was a sum of countless sacrifices, unshakable courage and years of struggle. From Mahatma Gandhi's path of ahimsa and satyagraha to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose powerful call, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. From the fearless Rani Lakshmibai to the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and the vision of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Each one added their part to the great equation of freedom. Finally, on that unforgettable morning, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hosted the tricolor at the Red Fort and addressed the nation as the first Prime Minister of the independent India. Friends, Independence Day is not just a page in history. It's a reminder that the values of freedom, unity and progress must always stay in our hearts. So today, let us celebrate with pride and say Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.
Thank you Arushi ma'am for those inspiring words. Friends, as a biology faculty, I talk about growth, survival and life every day. And our nation's journey to freedom is the greatest example of all three. It took almost 200 years of struggle under British rule before India could take at its first breath as a free nation on 15 August 1947. But this freedom was not an accident. It was the result of unity, sacrifice and resilience. From Mahatma Gandhi's peaceful resistance to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's fearless call for action. From the bravery of Rani Lakshmibai to the sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and countless unsung heroes. Every act of courage became like an oxygen, keeping the flame of freedom alive. Today, as we celebrate 79 years of independence, let us remember freedom, like life, must be nurtured and protected. So let's promise ourselves to contribute to our nation's growth.
Thank you Komal ma'am for the heartfelt message. As a chemistry faculty, I know that when the right elements come together, they form a strong bond. And just like in chemistry, the bond of unity among Indians become the strongest force in breaking the chains of British rule. 15 August 1947 was the day when all the elements of courage, sacrifice and determination reacts together to create the perfect formula freedom. From Mahatma Gandhi's principle of ahimsa to Subhash Chandra Bose's fearless leadership, from Rani Lakshmibai's valor to Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and many others, every hero was a catalyst in our independence struggle. Today, as we celebrate 79 years of freedom, let us remember, just like a chemical reaction needs energies to sustain, our freedom needs our constant effort to protect the strengthen it. And as we celebrate 79 years of freedom, let us remember, just like a chemical reaction needs energy to sustain, our freedom needs our constant effort to protect and strengthen it. So let's pledge to keep our nation's spirit pure, strong and united and say together Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.
Thank you Tejasvika ma'am for those inspiring words. Friends, as a physics faculty, I see the laws of science everywhere. Even in our freedom struggle, just like in physics, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The oppression of British rule met with an unstoppable reaction of India's unity and courage. 15 अगस्त 1947 वो ऐतिहासिक दिन था जब सैक्रिफाइस, डिटर्मिनेशन और होप की ताकत ने कॉलोनियल रूल की ताकत को हरा दिया और लगभग 200 साल की गुलामी के बाद भारत आजाद हुआ। महात्मा गांधी का अहिंसा का बल, सुभाष चंद्र बोस का एनर्जेटिक कॉर, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई का फियरलेस करेज और भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद जैसे वीरों का बलिदान, ये सब मिलकर हमारे फ्रीडम मूवमेंट को मोमेंटम देते रहे। टुडे एज वी सेलिब्रेट 79 years of independence, let us remember in physics motion continues until acted upon by external force. Exactly the same way our nation's progress will continue if we as responsible citizens keep adding energy, unity and dedication to it. Let's keep the spirit of freedom in constant motion and say together Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.